Welcome to TravelSpot, the channel where we explore the world not just through destinations, but through the way people live. Today, we're taking a calm and honest look into daily life in South Korea, beyond K-pop, dramas, and social media. This is not a travel guide and not a list of attractions. Instead, this video is about the rhythm of everyday life, the mornings, the streets, the food, the people, and the quiet moments that shape Korean society. If you enjoy peaceful travel stories and real cultural experiences, make sure to subscribe to the TravelSpot channel and join us on journeys like this. In South Korea, the day begins early. As the sky slowly lightens, city streets come alive with gentle movement. Office workers walk quickly towards subway stations, students in uniforms gather at bus stops, and convenience stores glow warmly against the early morning air. There is a sense of purpose everywhere. People move fast, yet calmly, as if everyone already knows exactly where they need to be. Public transportation is the heart of daily life. Subways arrive quietly and on time, screens announce each stop, and passengers stand patiently in lines. Even during rush hour, there is order. People rarely speak loudly. Many spend their commute looking out the window, listening to music, or simply resting with their eyes closed. Silence is not uncomfortable here. It feels natural. As morning turns into midday, the streets fill with life. Small cafés open their doors, releasing the smell of fresh coffee. In Korea, cafés are more than places to drink. They are spaces to pause. Some people sit alone with laptops, others meet friends, and many simply watch the city pass by through large glass windows. It is common to see people enjoying iced coffee even in the middle of winter, wrapped in coats, hands cold but spirits warm. Food is deeply connected to everyday happiness in South Korea. Lunch hours bring coworkers together at small neighborhood restaurants. Meals arrive quickly, steaming bowls of soup, rice neatly arranged, side dishes filling the table. Kimchi, vegetables, and sauces are shared without question. Eating is not rushed, but it is efficient. There is comfort in familiar flavors, and every meal feels warm, balanced, and grounding. Street food adds color to daily life. As evening approaches, food carts appear like clockwork. The sound of sizzling pans mixes with quiet conversations. The smell of tteokbokki sauce, grilled meat, and sweet pancakes fills the air. People stop briefly, enjoy a snack, and continue walking. Small moments of joy between busy schedules. Korean neighborhoods feel lived in and intimate. Between tall apartment buildings are walking paths, playgrounds, and small parks. Elderly residents sit on benches, chatting softly. Children play after school. There's a strong sense of community, even in large cities. Life feels structured, but not cold. Respect plays a powerful role in everyday interactions. People bow slightly when greeting. Apologies are offered easily. Kindness is quiet, not dramatic. It appears in small actions, holding doors, returning lost items, standing to let others exit first. These habits are deeply rooted and passed down through generations. As the sun sets, the city changes mood. Office lights turn off one by one, and streets glow with signs and reflections. After work, many people gather for dinner. Tables fill with laughter, shared dishes, and long conversations. Food brings people together in a way that feels deeply cultural. Meals are rarely eaten alone. Togetherness is important. Late evenings in South Korea feel surprisingly peaceful. Streets remain active yet safe. Couples walk quietly. Friends talk softly on sidewalks. Convenience stores continue to glow under the night sky. Even at midnight, there is a sense of comfort rather than chaos. Weekends bring a slower rhythm. People hike mountains just outside the cities, walk along rivers, browse bookstores, or sit in cafes for hours. Nature is never far away. Cherry blossoms in spring, green mountains in summer, golden leaves in autumn, and snowy streets in winter. Each season completely transforms daily life. South Korea is a place where tradition and modern life exist side by side. Ancient temples stand quietly between glass buildings. Old markets survive beside luxury malls. The past is not erased, it is respected. Daily life here is not perfect. Workdays can be long, expectations can be heavy. Society moves quickly, and pressure exists. But within that pace, people find calm in routine, comfort in food, and peace in order. Life in South Korea is not loud, it is not chaotic. It is subtle, disciplined, emotional, and quietly beautiful. It's found in morning subways, warm meals, night walks, and the simple rhythm of living. And that's what daily life in South Korea truly feels like. If you enjoyed this peaceful look into Korean living, make sure to subscribe to TravelSpot for more lifestyle journeys, cultural stories, and slow travel experiences from around the world. Thank you for spending these moments with us. We'll see you again in the next TravelSpot journey.